To sign into your Quincy Public Schools student email account, you first visit the Quincy Public Schools main webpage at www.qps.org. Along the top of the page, you see multiple quick link buttons. Select the one that says District Webmail, and this will open an additional window. This says Quincy Public Schools Single Sign-On page. The formula to log into your student email account is the same for every student. It's your student ID number at my.qps.org. You have to make sure that you have the period after my. If you simply put myqps.org, it will not work. It must be my.qps.org. And your password would be the same as your network password that you use to log into any of the computers in the district. Now what this will do is it will now open up my student email account. This is a completely web-based account, so that means that it is accessible from any computer that you have connected to internet. So you can access this email account from school, but you can also access it from your home computer. There are several benefits to using your school email versus using an outside personal email account when you're working with school work. Oftentimes kids will come in and they will have emailed something to their Yahoo or Gmail accounts, and it's incompatible when they tried to open it up. So if you do everything through your web-based Office 365, you should not have those compatibility issues, or you should not have any worries about your account being blocked or whatever, just because of the URL address or something. One of the other features that you have with using 365 is this is connected to all of our district resources. So if I need to email a teacher, I simply, as long as I know how to spell their last name, I can start to type it in and hit search directory, and it will automatically pull up and find your recipient. This is also the case for students. You just start to type in their last name, search directory, and it will pull up all students that fit that criteria. One of the best and one of the most beneficial benefits of using your web-based Office 365 account is that it provides you with full access to the Microsoft Office suite. If you notice the blue box with the grid pattern located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, if you click on this, it will open or display the various Microsoft programs that are now available to you for free through your 365 login. So if you are at home and you do not have access to Microsoft Word or PowerPoint on one of your home computers, by logging into your 365 account with your school email address or your school login, you will now have access to Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, Excel, and so forth. So it's very simple to get in here and work at school and then continue where you left off when you get home. You don't have to worry about saving things on a flash drive or losing a flash drive or saving it on the network, but then you can't access from home. Along with the web-based version, if you are at school and choose to use the standard version that you find located on your computer, that is an option. But one of the things is that when you save your work versus saving it to your flash drive or to your traditional H drive account, which is the network account, you now have the option to save it on QPS OneDrive. And by doing this, you'll be saving it into a cloud. So it's completely web-based. Your work is in the cloud. So when you go home, it's the same. You don't have to worry about incompatibility. Oh, they're running, Office 10 or Windows 10, and I have, 2007 or whatever. Also, unlike your network account that is wiped out at the end of each school year, your Office 365 account or using your OneDrive, your work is saved throughout the course of your time with Quincy Public Schools. So if you're a student who anticipates creating a portfolio to get into a college program or internship, and you need to have different artifacts through your coursework in high school, This is a great way to save your work. So you could just create a folder like freshman year or freshman language arts. And then as you're compiling your portfolio, you could go back and access, say, a poem that you wrote freshman year, or maybe a lab project from chemistry or sophomore year or something. So there are many great features to using this web-based version. If you have any questions on how to access your email account or how to use the web-based version of Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, which one other thing, this is a live save, so you don't have to worry about your typing and you forget to save a document and then your computer freezes up. This actually saves it in real time as you're working on it. So you always have an up-to-date backup file. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact me, Ms. Colombo, at colombehe@qps.org, or if you need to go to the homepage under Library, and you can find my contact information either by selecting the envelope here or going through Contacts. Please feel free to contact me if you need assistance.